Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio, because most videos have crappy ass audio because people don't know how to remove white noise, EQ. I'm not gonna master. I'm just gonna make it sound good. So yeah.
So step one, we're going to get the video out. We're gonna dump in the WAV file. Come on, I only got a few minutes. Let's remove. Yes, remove. So we're going to import my video. Boom. We're going to drag it. Cool. Next, we're going to export the wave. The wave file is right here. Hitfilm Express is free. So let's export the file. Wave. Doesn't anything. Boom. And now we have that. So I went to file. Now it's done. Next, I'm going to open up my DAW, FL Studios. This gonna cost you some money. Let's make this small. Open Edison up. Edison. Open Edison up. Open the WAV file. Load sample. Anything. So most of it has some white noise, as you can see. Like right here, there's a little white noise. You want to get rid of that, but it's like none right now. A good way to get rid of it is to, where is it? Not insert silence, clear, and it's totally gone. There's no more. You don't see any waveform or the color. But if you want it, because a little bit white noise is fine, because I like the sound of it. I don't know why. Another way of doing it is rolling off the bass. So let's select all, export it to the clip. So that's there, and then we're gonna link it to the channel. Boom. Next, we're gonna EQ. So EQ. Parametric EQ 2. We're going to roll out. I'm gonna use this one. We're gonna.
So yeah.
That was bad. I thought I exported the whole file. Okay, whole file is exported. So that one's going to be 1. Okay.
Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio.
Okay. And
Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio, because
we're gonna roll out, I think up to like 250, but we'll see how it sounds.
Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio, because most videos have crappy ass audio because people don't know how to remove white noise, EQ. I'm not gonna master. Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio, because most videos have crappy ass audio.
Okay, there's a tapping sound, so the only way to remove that is use Isotope RX. Okay, it's a lot more work than I thought. So we're gonna go in,
because
so we gotta cut the tap at the end.
because
You see the tap right here? So we're going to cut it, and we're going to remove the tap.
because most videos have crappy ass audio because people don't know how to.
And we're gonna move the breath right there. Unless we want to keep it, we're gonna do a cut. Use that. Pull it.
Because most videos have crappy ass audio because people don't know how to remove white noise, EQ. I'm not gonna master. I'm just gonna make it.
There's an issue right here.
I'm just gonna make
a tap. The only way to remove that is Isotope RX. I don't have it with me.
I'm just gonna make it.
And I gotta remove this little thing right here. So cut tool. Yeah, it's a lot of work. This is a job. Let's remove that.
Sound good. So yeah.
And I sniff through here.
Sound good. So yeah.
Alright, so let's export it. I think I'm due. I should have normalized it. I gotta redo it. It's loud enough. Okay, we're gonna do a quick EQ. Don't use this one. We're going to do the threshold, put it at 2.0.
Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio, because most videos have crappy ass audio because people don't know how to remove white noise.
So what is this, 2 decibels? See how much decibels that is. So we're, yeah, 2.5 is good. You see how much is compressing. So 2.5 is good. It just duck it down to make it more level at the same kind of audio. You can play with the attack and release and knee to make it more smooth. It's really up to you. I personally don't do it, but you can. And hopefully I don't do this tutorial too quick. EQ. And now we're gonna export it, or export the WAV file as cleaned up. This is my crappy cleanup. Clean up. And we import it back. Import cleaned. Okay, we're gonna insert a track. Import it. And we're gonna silence this one.
Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix.
No, this one. So.
Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio, because most videos have crappy ass audio because people don't know how to remove white noise, EQ. I'm not gonna master. I'm just gonna make it sound good.
So that was that one. So we're gonna silent that one, and then we're gonna do this one.
Alright, so I'm gonna make a video on how to fix audio.
So it's like night and day difference. It sounds way, way better. After that, we're gonna create a save file, export save file, go not wave, sorry. 1080p. And then we're export it as fixed video. So that's the fixed one. Yeah. Thanks for watching, I guess.